My name is Anthony Day. I'm a community general manager with CIBC here in Ottawa. I'm here today to talk to you about Stay Fit While You Sit workshop.
We were very excited to have Dr. Craig Hindson with us at the Ottawa Home and Remodeling Show this year.
Today I'm going to be sharing essential spine-saving tips.
My name is Aidan Dumont. I am a financial advisor with Desjardins Financial Security.
We were fortunate enough to have Dr. Craig come in and talk with our team.
So we're going to go up there. So we're on our tippy toes and we're reaching up. We're imagining there's an apple above our heads. We're going to make sure it doesn't fall off the stage.
And if it is something that you're considering about bringing into your workplace, I couldn't recommend it higher.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Briley. I'm the Executive Director at Unitarian House of Ottawa. Dr. Craig has come and done Stay Fit While You Sit with my clients, and it's been a huge success.
Hi, my name is Anna Terrence. I'm the Manager of Financial Advice at CIBC. And I wanted to just take some time to say how awesome this Stay Fit While You Sit workshop was that we had here. Not only have our staff given me amazing feedback on this, but also we've been able to use some of the things that we learned in our day-to-day life.
So we'll do that 2 or 3 times, okay? You may also want to throw in a squat, an air squat, which is awesome exercise. Just keep yourself tuned up.
I went through the presentation of Stay Fit While You Sit, and it was super helpful.
As the head comes forward, this flattens. And as this flattens out, the cord in the middle starts to get some pressure on it.
I think that the presentation, the content, the delivery, and the value add to the team was absolutely spot on.
And you're going to actually use that to, it's almost as if you're lifting yourself up out of a bath, a very narrow bath, all right?
We look forward to having him back at future shows.
If you're considering having Dr. Craig come in and speak with some of your staff or workplace, I highly recommend it. You can't go wrong.
Finally, give yourselves all a massive round of applause!